Good morning friends. Today I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of Bansawara Syntex Limited. This is the one of the you can say small maybe micro cap company where you can see the price just below 100 right now. This you can see the long term chart of this company. This is showing a very good uptrend direction after COVID. This is the 10-year chart of the company. Right now it is in dip. Okay, so it is from the textile company, Textile Industries, market cap 333 and enterprise value 566. It means that the current market cap is lesser than their enterprise value. Book value per share is 122. Right now the price is quoting 97. It means that the current price is lower than their book value. PE. PE means this company's PE just 5.49, which is very awesome sign here for the company. PEG ratio 0.35 indicates that this company is having very high potential growth in the future and may share price will move faster in the coming months. Dividend yield 0.64 indicate that the company is paying dividend on time to the particular investors. If you see the performance of the stocks, last 6 month company has given negative 25% return, but it is a short-term decline. But if you see the particular 2-year return, it is showing 161% in the positive side, and 10-year return is 195%. As the Bansawara Syntex was incorporated in 1976 as a joint sector company with the RICO, a government of Rajasthan undertaking in RLTL township, Tosniwal. So initially it started a spinning mill and capacity of 12,500 spindle. So this is very good and a highly capacity company. If you see the delivery of this company actually you can say investor is buying 70% holding, maybe you can say delivery 60 to 70% is very good sign for this company. If you check, this company is paying dividend consistently. Recently in September 2012, company split their particular face value from 10 to 5. Next, you can see that technical analysis. The company is showing this one, the indicator is showing the oversold situation. So this is the right time to buy, but please check with your technical advisor before taking any situation in this company. If you check the fundamental, this is company for man-made fiber and textile industries. Price and market cap we have discussed already. So let's see the website of the company. So you can see the company's Bansawara Syntex is actually, you can say, let me change the settings. Yeah, so you can see it is the textile industries creating lot of fiber materials and sending. So it's the company is into the global market as well, including US and UK, Canada, Spain, Germany, Japan, France, UAE and Turkey. Company has several award over the years. Very good. So this company is having lot of fundamental information, and this company actually having very good corporate governance, I think, as per the overall situation is appearing. Now, if you check the result of this company, you will be surprised that the company sales are growing slowly. In June 2021, the sales was 212 crore, but in June 2022, it's showing 355 crore. There is exponential growth in the sales. If you talk about the EBITDA growth, companies increasing their EBITDA exactly equally how the sales are growing. So EBITDA is also growing from 18 crore to 43 crore. Next important information, company is also generating some other income. Along with that, company reducing their interest in the last few quarters. If you talk about the tax net profit, the net profit is also increasing from 3.3 crore to 19 crore, which is also very good sign for this company. If you talk about the annual result of this company, so you will see that this company is showing very good, you can say, a flat kind of situation. 1350 crore sales in 2019. In June 2020, still 1333. Apart from that, the company's other income are increasing slowly. Depreciation, interest are reducing. So these two signs are so that company is having very consistent growth prospect. Apart from that, company's net profit is also growing from 24 crore to 60 crore. If you talk about the ratios, company return on capital employed Return on equity is showing 12%, and if you talk about return on capital employed is 15%. In the textile industry, these kind of information, these kind of return on equity and capital employed is very good. If you talk about PBIT margin, company's PBIT margin is 8%, but PAT margin is 3%. The company is maintaining very low margin, but if you talk about the book value per share, the company's book value per share increasing, which is a very good sign. Inventory turnover ratio is also flat, and days of receivable is also reducing, which is good sign. Working capital is also improved. So you can see the overall company's prospect and the future growth is very solid. If you talk about the fundamental of balance sheet, you will be surprised that company's capital never change. Maybe earlier it was 17.24, company reduces to 16, now it is again increased to 17.12. So company is also maintaining very good fundamentals, good equity capital. Reserves is also growing from 215 to 382. If you talk about the current asset, company is having very good inventory and sundry debtor also decrease, but if you talk about cash, company is maintaining very good cash as a micro cap 27 crore. If you talk about profit and loss, company's net sales are basically flat, but apart from that, company can create a very good profit here because of reducing interest and reducing the and increasing the other income. So company's net profit is growing from 24 crore to 61. If you talk about the overall shareholding pattern, you will be surprised that company is having two kind of promoter. One is the Indian promoter, again is the foreign promoter, which is also very good sign. Company is having some foreign promoter, means the company's particular activity in very solid, and they are not changing mostly the fundamental. One of the positive sign, the DII increased in this particular position. You can say the Indian institution investors like some mutual fund invested in this company. Non-institution reducing because they don't know about the quality of this company. Now you can see the promoter names here, and also you can see who are the foreign promoter here. Okay, board of directors. After that, you can check how many mutual fund other scan. You can check that the particular company having these fundamental right now, improved return on equity and high increase of quarterly sales Y on Y, consistent dividend paying company. Hope this particular video for helpful for you. Always check